Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be over the recent causes of fish death in our waterways. The problem. Many fish have been reported dead on the beaches of our local waterways, and this could mean that the water could be toxic for humans as it's used for recreational activities. The culprit. After thorough investigation of water quality and samples of dead fish, it has been found that the great majority of fish in the area have died from ammonia poisoning. We could also see through the water test levels that there is a very high level of ammonia. Ammonia is toxic to all vertebrates, including us, as it is a waste product. Um, Normally, fish can remove ammonia from their bodies through their gills by taking in fresh water, but when water has high concentrations of ammonia, fish can't remove it from their bodies and it leads to ammonia poisoning. The effects. Um, the main effects on fish of ammonia poisoning are hyperventilation, cellular destruction, nervous system failure, and burns on the skin. Ammonia can also lead to algal blooms, which can be toxic to fish and humans. Here's some more details on fish health. In a normal setting, fish breathe out ammonia through their gills to keep the body at a healthy levels. Normal level of ammonia within any body of water is below 0.25 parts per million. When ammonia is higher than 0.25 parts per million, it becomes hard for the fish to remove ammonia through their gills as they're absorbing it when they breathe. The higher the ammonia levels, the more adverse the effects become, eventually leading to burned gills and destroying other cells within the fish's body. These dangerous levels of ammonia are up to 1 to 2 parts per million in the water. And these destroyed cells make it hard for the fish to breathe and move, and eventually they die from suffocation or organ failure because the toxic ammonia breaks down those cells. The main cause. The high levels of ammonia located within the waterway have been attributed to nitrogenous runoff from local lawns and farms. Uh, the nitrogen is mainly used for fertilization of plants to promote healthy growth, but when it's introduced into a waterway, the nitrogen pairs up with hydrogen to create this dangerous ammonia, which is so deadly to fish. Thank you everybody for listening to my presentation.